Hey, it's Phyzeek here. Welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an intro to the gym. Yes, intro to the gym. If you're a first timer and you've been thinking about going to the gym, you're confused of what to do, how to get started at the gym, I'm going to be showing you guys all that in this video. So number one, the first thing people always miss when you come to the gym is to make sure when you come in you have a water bottle, you bring water with you to make sure you stay hydrated. And if you don't do that, make sure you know where the water fountain is at. But the water fountain of this gym is right behind me. So that'll be the first thing you look for. And the next second thing will be finding the locker room. So I'm going to show you guys those two things. Let's get it. Alright, once you put yourself in the locker room, the next thing is going to be to find an area where you can warm up. Alright, most of the time, areas that have mats are the area where you're going to have a chance to kind of do warm-up movements, alright? So most gyms will have the mat on the wall, or they'll have an area where they have turf on the ground. That's kind of where you want to go and kind of do a couple of warm-up movements. Again, if you're trying to do a lower body workout, you can check one of my warm-up videos on my playlist of time workout, okay? And you can use that for your lower body warm-up, or for upper body as well. I have one as well for upper body. Or you can just search any upper body video on YouTube as well. Whatever works for you, that's good for me. Alright, as a beginner at the gym, you want to reduce your chance of getting injured. So that's why I will always advise using machine first. The reason why machine are the best option for you is because it's the safest option for you to do each movement correctly. Helps you to make sure you're targeting the right muscle groups, and has instructions literally right on the machines. Every machine is going to have an instruction, an image that will show you instruction on how to begin an exercise and how to end it. It's also going to have cautions. It's also going to have show you the proper way of doing it. And if for some reason you cannot understand what's on there, or maybe it looks too confusing, just type the exercise on YouTube and maybe you can find a better video that can explain it better for you. Alright, now going to the machine itself. For example, every machine will have a color body on there that is for adjustment. In this gym, the adjustment color is yellow. As you can notice, everything on that is tagged yellow has an adjustment trick to it. As you can see, the lever here that changed the sit position is also yellow. Some gyms are red, some gyms are blue. So just make sure you put attention to the adjustment knobs. They will have a different color from the machine. Next and last checklist will be making sure you always start from the lowest weight possible. And then you do between 12 to 15 reps. And once that gets comfortable, then you can increase the weight. This is very, very important because you do not want to do weights that are too heavy too soon and that can lead to you injuring, or at the same time feeling embarrassed like you can do something. Start from low reps, low weights, get the movement down, get the technique down. If an exercise set is targeting tricep, make sure you feel in your triceps. If you're not feeling your triceps, like I said, watch videos, or if your gym has a personal trainer, get the attention of the trainer and ask them questions. There's no problem with asking questions. Alright, everybody in the gym have been at some point, been at the stage you are right now, so please have zero shame about asking questions. Alright, let's get it. Alright, second machine I'm going to show you guys is going to be a leg machine. This machine is a leg press machine. Alright, the instructions are here, just like in the first machine I showed you guys. Alright, like I've already told you guys, the yellow color is the knob adjustment color. Alright, so this machine has an adjustment of adjusting if you want to get closer or you want to get further from the machine. Alright, and then you make sure, like, once you let it go, the seat will stop itself. Right, make sure again you get comfortable with all this movement. For how close you want to get to the machine, that's all dependent on your limbs, how tall you are. For me, I can go closer to the machine because I'm pretty short. Alright, so once you get that done, make sure you adjust the weight to something light. Again, start from very lightweight, work your way up to a heavy weight. Alright, and now leg placement on the machine. Leg placement is very interesting because it's kind of like how you place your leg when you're doing squats, which means you want to make sure your toes are pointed outside, you have enough space between your legs. You can do narrow placement as well if that's what you want to target, but just make sure like that's intention, right? If you just want to do a regular leg press, make sure you have enough space between your legs, and also your legs, its placement on the pad is the same placement on each side, right? You don't want to pull one leg up and pull one leg lower, right? Make sure they are all on the same plane, right? Next, this bar handles are for holding, all right? So you can actually push outside and then bring the weight back inside, nice and control. And I will do between 10 to 12 reps for 3 to 4 sets if I'm a beginner. And once I feel like I'm getting 12 reps comfortably for 3 sets, then I will increase the weight to go up. So I hope this video is explanatory enough for a beginner that's trying to check out the gym. And like I said, try and take your time. Don't start rushing into dumbbells, cable, barbell. Take your time with machines, right, and develop those skills. Really focus on making sure your engagement with each muscle group is exactly where you want it to be. And if you feel like you want to do a bodyweight exercises, always find the tough area or the stretching area, like with the one I'm on right now, and do the bodyweight exercise in there. Try to do those simple stuff and do those things consistently. And like I said, if you need to have more questions answered, hire a trainer or ask your gym for a trainer, or you can hire Phyzeek. I got you. I appreciate you guys so much. Subscribe, turn on your notification for more video like this one. Let's get it too easy. Let's go.